Have you ever wondered why women are crazy about men who are good with them, smiling and pleasant? Today we will reveal the secret of these men and tell you what you need to do that would also attract girls to you and make them think about you. It's really simple. Use these 10 tips to make girls crazy about you, and of course, at the end of the video we will give one very good advice on how to better understand the psychology of women. The most shocking psychological facts about women and the best tips on how to understand them are in our playlist. First of all, we will start with the simplest, but women pay attention to this in the first place. Be sure to watch your appearance and hygiene. Falling in love is chemistry. The easiest way to ensure it is to always have an attractive appearance and smell good. According to neuroscientist Rachel Hertz, women are more sensitive to odors and can choose their partner through their sense of smell. An exuberant odor makes a man sexually attractive to a woman. To attract attention, a guy should not only have a beautiful cover, but also the content. Then he will be interesting to recognize and just be around. Despite being busy, find time for traveling, reading, concerts, movies, master classes, volunteering. A girl should want to live as full a life as you do. All you have to do is to put your appearance in order, smell good, and invite a girl somewhere. Don't stop there if you want to surprise and attract, but do it first of all for yourself. Chase not for a girl, but for a better you. To fall in love with another person, you have to love yourself. The best way to do this is to become who you want to be, advises relationship and dating coach Kyle Bureston. By trying new things, you'll learn and understand yourself. Girls like goal-oriented guys. Do not show the girl that she is the center of the universe for you. At the stage of acquaintance, demonstrate that you live your life, which you like. A significant part of it, hobbies. There is something appealing and even sexy about a guy who has a passion for motorcycle riding, cooking, wood carving, or any other activity. This confirms a study that showed that any hobby increases a person's attractiveness. Girls don't like whiners who complain about life. They will turn any situation and event into a dark cloud. A confident master of his life with a firm position, who believes in himself and luck, this is the image a girl can fall in love with. If you are different, work on a better version of yourself. What are the psychological techniques to make a girl fall in love with you? Ask her to do something for you, make her laugh, give her romantic attention, compliment her, touch her. To increase your attraction to a girl, ask her to do something for you. Through a favor, the girl will get sympathy. This harmless manipulation is due to cognitive dissonance and is called the Benjamin Franklin effect, explains Dr. Franklin. According to research, a person with a sense of humor is more socially attractive. Try to use funny situations, tell jokes, use self-irony. Laughter is an indicator of sympathy. If a girl laughs gleefully even with a not very funny joke of a guy, it means she likes him. Even if you are still in the friend zone, it is easy to leave it, if you give the girl romantic signs of attention. For example, find out what her favorite flowers, and send a bouquet by courier. It will make her feel special. Leave cute notes on her car. Find out her favorite foods and order breakfast for her at a restaurant with delivery. Compliments are little tokens of love. With their help you can win the heart of a girl. They will cheer up not only her but also you. Compliments engage in emotional reciprocity, explains social counselor Hannah Owens. Don't forget compliments that speak to her value to you. Even minimal physical contact can ignite a spark. Use every opportunity to touch her unobtrusively, give her a hand, hug her when she is cold, if she does not mind, as if accidentally touch her hand, offer to take her hand when you go for a walk. Often the right moment to touch will come on its own. The easiest way to learn as much as you can about a girl in a short period of time is to ask questions. What questions should I ask a girl to make her fall in love? Ask her about what she believes and how she thinks, her fears and secrets. This is what brings people together, makes them experience together and fall in love with each other. It is important for a girl to have a man's support. Let her know that you can be relied on, you will share her sorrow and joy. Be there for her when she feels bad, offer your help. Rejoice with her in her achievements. Do not ask for more than she can give you. Help her achieve her dreams and she will be convinced that she is needed. A date is not necessarily a trip to a restaurant. You can end the meeting that way. Girls love pleasant surprises. Learn about the desires and hobbies of the companion, invite her to a place where she will be interested, for example at an exhibition, a master class, a walk. The more unconventional the situation will be, the better you will get to know each other, you will have the opportunity to show care and attention. To love does not mean to devote all your time to your partner. You should respect the girl's personal boundaries and do not invade her personal space. Do not control or restrict her. Give freedom, but don't alienate. How to fall in love with a girl by correspondence. Know how to listen and hear, be open, send kind and gentle messages, occasionally back off, ask for advice, intrigue. Have the patience to listen to her in correspondence, sacrifice time, and the girl will be grateful. Especially if you feel she needs to talk. Tell her you appreciate her sincerity and together you will find a way out of the situation. Do not go around and around in correspondence, causing bewilderment. Directly state that you like the girl. Tell her what she attracted you and that you would like to communicate with her. Ask about what she does, what she likes and find common topics of conversation. Honesty develops trust. Say what you feel and think without hiding, suppressing or manipulating your words. A girl will be pleased to receive a text message saying good morning and good night. She will realize that you are thinking about her. Call her tender names, send cute cards. If you know that on this day is coming some important event for her, wish her good luck, and then ask how it went. This way you will invisibly enter her life, and it will already be difficult for her without your involvement. Do not rush things and do not flood the girl with messages. Limit communication with her, thus showing that you have your own life. From time to time, especially at the beginning of the relationship, back off, do not write first, make pauses in correspondence. At the same time, see if it will bother her, whether she will write to you or not. Observe what the reaction will be when you write back, whether she will ask where you disappeared to. To emphasize the girl's importance and authority to you, ask her for advice in an area in which she is competent. A common solution to a problem brings you closer together. Later, be sure to thank her for her help and tell her how everything went, how useful her advice was. Compliment her insight and professionalism. After that, you can always count on her favor. Start to tell something interesting, and then apologize and say that you already have to run, but when you meet you will definitely tell everything to the end. The intrigue will keep the girl in a slight pleasant tension, and she will look forward to the meeting. Take care not to disappoint her. Step by step develop a relationship with the girl by using 20 ways to make her fall in love with you. Express your feelings, but don't suppress her right to choose. If she reciprocates, you will feel it. Love is not a feeling that can be easily imposed. It can either lift us up to the heavens or throw us down to the abyss. When we fall in love, we can try to win the person's favor, but it's not up to us to decide. If you are interested in a girl and desperately want her to reciprocate, there are several ways to get her interested. However, if she does not have the same feelings for you, you will have to rebuild your broken heart. What to do if you're in love? Falling in love can be as magical as it is overwhelming. As you experience a rush of new emotions, you need to learn how to deal with them. When love overwhelms you, it's important not to lock your feelings away. Try to sort through your emotions and lay them out. Have a heart-to-heart talk with your significant other. Tell him or her about everything that is going on in your soul. So you can talk out, get advice and support. When dealing with difficult emotions, it is useful to organize unloading days. Try to let go of all negative thoughts, if any, and treat yourself. Difficulties or disappointments in the romantic realm can shake your own self-love. Remind yourself that you are important. When emotions stabilize a bit, you will be able to think rationally. Now you are able to start making plans to win the girl of your dreams. Try to get to know her better, get closer to her. Find common hobbies, interests, values. Little by little show her your love, give her compliments, make little surprises, try to surprise her as often as possible. Be brave and tell this girl how much she means to you, share everything that has been deep in your heart for so long. If your confession stunned her, then give her time and space so she can think it over too. Be prepared to accept whatever response she gives you.